everyone, welcome to Cook with Yesmeena. Today I will be making a super easy yet so delicious eggplant dip. So if you're an eggplant lover, trust me when I say you don't want to miss this. If you're a jalapeno lover like myself, you can always add extra. As you can see, some of the skin will stick to the eggplant, and that's totally fine because at the end it's not going to affect the taste or the texture. This you want to have cold, so make sure you put it in the fridge to get it nice and chill. This dip is perfect for summer, but hey, who says you can't have it all year round? So I say go for it. I know, you're thinking like, God, that looks so good, I wish I could have some. Guess what? I got you. I've included the links for how to make Chapli Kabob and Pekoras down below on the description, so feel free to click and make it for yourself. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed having the dip tonight. On that note, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till next time.